The footage shows a utility worker on a lift bucket performing maintenance on overhead power lines when a massive arc flash occurs. A sudden, intense burst of light and energy, accompanied by a loud blast and scattering sparks, engulfs the workspace. The sheer force and heat of the discharge impact the area instantly, leaving behind smoke and debris. To prevent such serious hazards, strict adherence to safety standards is mandatory. This includes following lockout, tag-out LOTO procedures, wearing proper ARC-rated APP, and conducting regular equipment inspections. Never approach high-voltage lines without specialized training and authorized gear. In the electrical trade, there is no room for shortcuts. Safety protocols exist to ensure every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. This footage serves as a stark reminder of industrial hazards when a technician working on a heavy-duty tire experiences a catastrophic mechanical failure. While applying a lubricant to the rim, excessive internal pressure causes the tire to burst with immense force, throwing the worker backward and shredding his clothing. To prevent such incidents, technicians must strictly adhere to specified SI ratings and never underestimate the power of compressed air. Safe positioning is vital. Workers should avoid standing directly in front of or leaning over a tire, utilizing safety cages for large-scale equipment. Proper industrial-grade PP is essential to minimize impact from pressure waves. Ultimately, everyone must recognize that pressurized tires store significant kinetic energy that can be released instantaneously, with devastating results if safety protocols are ignored. Germany and Mai. This footage captures a severe safety lapse at an offshore drilling site, where a worker was struck by a heavy traveling block due to a breakdown in communication. This incident serves as a sobering reminder that following safety protocols is a necessity for returning home safely. Key takeaways include strict adherence to red zones by never standing beneath suspended loads and ensuring precision in communication between operators and crews via standardized signals. Maintaining constant situational awareness is vital, as a single moment of distraction in high-risk zones can lead to life-altering consequences. Finally, always utilize proper P and fall protection systems to mitigate risks. Placing safety above speed is the only way to ensure a secure environment for everyone on site. This footage captures a severe industrial accident at an auto shop, serving as a sobering reminder of workplace hazards. The video shows a technician positioned in front of a heavy truck while coordinating its movement. Due to a mechanical failure or operator error, the vehicle surged forward, pinning him against a wall. To prevent such incidents, personnel must follow strict safety protocols. Never stand between a running vehicle and a fixed object, always maintaining a clear path of retreat. Drivers and spotters should use standardized signals, ensuring everyone is in a safe green zone before moving. Furthermore, always use heavy-duty wheel chocks to secure vehicles under repair. Constant vigilance is vital, as a split-second distraction in a high-risk environment can lead to life-altering consequences. Safety is a culture that requires strict adherence to protect everyone. This footage captures a serious industrial incident within a manufacturing facility where a worker in a white shirt approached a high-speed rotating spindle too closely. Due to a momentary lapse in situational awareness and failure to maintain a safe buffer zone, the individual was caught in the rotating mechanism. Although a colleague reacted instantly, the machine SS force resulted in a high-impact blow that threw the worker from the equipment. This serves as a critical reminder to strictly adhere to safety perimeters and maintain a minimum distance from active machinery like rotating shafts. Proper work attire and PPE are essential. Avoid loose clothing or long hair to prevent entanglement. Continuous focus is vital, as a split-second distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Finally, all personnel must be trained to use emergency stop buttons immediately. In this video, a severe workplace accident occurs at a manual processing facility when a worker suddenly loses his footing and falls into a large vat of boiling liquid. Bystanders immediately rush to the scene, working together to pull him out of the hazardous area in a desperate emergency response. Although the entire event lasts only a few seconds, it results in serious health consequences due to the extreme temperature of the liquid. This footage serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of workplace safety protocols. In environments featuring high heat sources, open vats, or slippery floors, the installation of protective guardrails, the use of specialized personal protective equipment (PP), and the placement of clear warning signs are absolutely essential. Furthermore, every individual must maintain a high level of situational awareness and exercise extreme caution with every step. A single moment of distraction or a lack of proper safety barriers can lead to life-altering accidents that could have been easily prevented. This footage captures a dangerous incident at an auto service center during routine maintenance. While a technician was working underneath a vehicle, a minor oversight led to a sudden fuel leak that ignited after contacting a heat source or electrical spark. Within seconds, the fire intensified, engulfing the vehicle in thick smoke. Fortunately, the staff evacuated just in time. This incident serves as a vital wake-up call for fire safety protocols. Mechanics must always ensure the fuel system is secure and check for leaks before using tools that generate sparks. Furthermore, every shop should be equipped with accessible fire extinguishers and trained personnel. Finally, keeping the workspace clear of flammable materials like oily rags or chemicals is essential to prevent such emergencies. This incident at an auto shop involves a high-energy tire failure during inflation, where a sudden pressure surge or defect caused a structural collapse. The force threw the technician back, causing severe impact injuries. This serves as a vital safety reminder for the industry. Technicians must always use safety inflation cages to contain potential blasts and protect against flying debris. Routine inspections for sidewall bulging or cracks are essential, alongside ensuring air gauges are properly calibrated. Proper PP, including high-impact goggles and head protection, is mandatory to shield against fragments. Finally, maintaining a safe distance and staying out of the trajectory zone is crucial for survival. Following these protocols prevents similar workplace accidents. In a busy restaurant kitchen, a routine cooking session quickly turns into a high-stakes situation when a large pan catches fire. Watch as a staff member demonstrates professional composure by using a damp cloth to smother the flames effectively. This video serves as a vital safety demonstration on how to handle kitchen emergencies without panicking. Understanding the correct techniques for fire suppression can prevent property damage and ensure a safe environment for everyone. Key takeaways include staying calm as acting quickly but deliberately is key to success. Remember to smother the flame with a damp cloth to cut off the oxygen supply, and always prioritize safety by never using water on a grease fire, which can cause it to spread. This guide highlights the importance of fire safety training to keep workplaces secure and prevent accidents through proper response. This footage captures a heart-stopping moment involving an automatic rolling door that serves as a vital safety lesson for every household. As the door was closing, a young girl suddenly ran from inside the house and managed to squeeze through the narrowing gap at the very last second. Fortunately, the opening was still large enough for her to pass through safely, and a serious accident was narrowly avoided. This video serves as a crucial reminder for parents and guardians to stay vigilant at all times. It is absolutely essential to closely supervise children around operating automated equipment, especially heavy rolling doors, to prevent dangerous situations before they happen. Keeping a watchful eye on our little ones near moving machinery is the best way to ensure their daily safety. This brief yet impactful video captures a service worker getting a bit too caught up in the music while on duty. While her high energy is great for the atmosphere, a momentary lapse in concentration leads to a clumsy mishap as she accidentally bumps into the counter, sending items flying and creating a potentially hazardous situation. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but the incident serves as a powerful reminder to always prioritize awareness and stay mindful of your surroundings, especially in fast-paced work environments. It is wonderful to enjoy your job, but professional focus should never take a backseat to entertainment. Whether you are behind a service counter or on a busy shop floor, Maintaining safety is a collective responsibility. Let's keep the good vibes going while keeping everyone safe.